Vanakkam, Vastram Silk is back with the linens which were of a huge demand even before couple of months before lockdown, I guess. So we have come up with the same collection again. Certain sarees have 4 pieces, 5 pieces. Everything will be put on a link. Links will be provided for each saree. 3,500 is the price of these beautiful linen with Banarasi and Banarasi linen with a Kanchivaram style border, completely zari woven border and buttas all throughout. 3,500 is the price of this elegant collection. So make this yours. Click on the link to buy. We are coming up with more interesting collections of cotton, kanjivarams, gadwals, and many more. Stay tuned. Happy shopping, and also a humble request from Vastram and from Sunita especially is to subscribe our YouTube channels. These sarees will be uploaded on YouTube, and we request you to definitely subscribe, like, share, and click the bell icon so that we are definitely so happy to show you fresh collections in the first hand, and having your subscription is a honor for us. Thank you so much. Let's go into the video now. Sari number 1 is blue. There are 14 saris. All 14 links will be given. Few saris have wow, look at that. That's sari number 1. A lot of demand was there last time. Look at the pallu over there. Look at the tassel also. It came a bit late because it was stuck in the lockdown somewhere, and it just came, and I'm so happy to have it. Zari stripes blouse, and a very rich zari woven pallu. 3,500. Link will be given. I think we have 4 to 5 saris with the blue. The link will allow you to buy till the entire sarees are available. That is 5 pieces available. 5 of you will be allowed to pay. So first pay first. Some have only 1 piece, some have 6 pieces, like that. I'm not sure which has got more pieces, but first come first. That is saree number 1. You saw the pallu. That's a very grand rich pallu. Very beautifully done. Double sided border. The description holds good for all the sarees because there are 14 sarees. It will be a huge long video. I don't want to proceed long, to just make it very sweet and short so that I'm opening. All the sarees definitely will be open, but the description holds good. I'm not going to explain all that so that you will love to buy and see the video and finish it fast. 1. Now comes saree number 2, a red. Oh my goodness, look at that double sided border. 1 second. Oh wow, that's a nice bridal color. Definitely, that's red color. Blouse is zari stripes. All are with blouse. A beautiful tassel done is a very important highlight. Few people don't do that. Few vendors, I meant. But some vendors are very sweet. They do it at cost, and they give. At cost is also not a problem. We can bear it. But when you get it, it should be a perfect fine piece ready to wear, like. Wow, that's a beautiful sari. That's it. That is the whole sari. If you have anything, one sari full open ಮಾಡಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. The papers are inside. We didn't want to disturb them. That's how the entire sari looks. Look at that. Sari number 2, red color. Turn ಮಾಡಿ. So that is sari number 2 for you. Double sided border. Nice bridal red. Actually, it's kind of a rustic red with a deeper tone of orange. Rustic red is the actual color. I'm not able to capture it, but a very beautiful sari. Sari number 2. Okay. Now let's go in for sari number 3. I'm not opening all the saris like this because it's not so easy, and it will be a very long video for you to sit and watch all throughout, which I never do. And I'll finish all my videos in 10 minutes, even though I don't get a lot of watch hours. I don't mind that, but the customer satisfaction is more than enough. Wow, this is another grey with a golden, antique golden zari border, and the blouse is zari stripes. Zari stripes is the blouse. That's the blouse over there. It's got some nice stripes. Hatra torsi. Zari blouse stripes. The body is otherwise plain, only for the blouse it's got zari stripes all throughout, which makes it a grand piece to wear. As such, a contrast red color blouse will also look amazing. This is saree number 3. Okay, turn it around. Yeah, that's a double sided border. Saree number 3, a very beautiful color. This color is fresh for the stock. I really liked it personally because the color is very trendy. You can wear a lot of contrast colors blouses for this, which makes it very special. So now comes saree number 4, an olive green mixed algae green. That is a color which is very, very nice and interesting. In fact, all the 14 colors are very pretty. Look at the tassel there. It's come out very good. A nice rich pallu. And the blouse, as usual, is a striped blouse. Look at that. The shining over there. Now you can stitch this blouse. You can use it for this saree also, but a contrast will look amazing. A blue and yellow all that will be a beautiful combination. This blouse could be used with a contrast blouse for some other saree. It look amazing. I think I need to talk a bit slow, right? Yeah, just let me know on the comment section if my speaking is a bit high, louder and faster. Okay, this is saree number 5, Alva. 5. Saree number 5, a dark peach color, a golden pallu. It looks an orange, but it's actually a peach, yeah. And a zari stripes over blouse for this also. I'm not able to capture. Do you see that shining over there in the blouse part of it? The sides would make you understand how shining these blouses are. They look running, but they have a subtle definition for themselves, which makes it more interesting. The tassels could never be forgotten. Look at the color. Am I able to capture that color? I'm not so sure. It's a nice mild peach here. It's coming out a dark red kind, pink kind. It's a peach color, okay? When you get it, if you book it, saree number 5 is going to look a peach. Not the color, yeah, that's the color. I'm able to capture it now, I guess, yeah. So that is saree number 5 for you, okay? Now comes saree number 6. We have 14 sarees. It's already 6 minutes. Let's finish it fast now. So saree number 6 is green, a green which is so light. It's a leaf green, new leaf green. This is color looks a bit darker, and that's the double-sided border. Blouse is zari stripes, and the body is completely buta. Turn the saree. Tassels well done, and that's the saree number 6 for you. Okay, so clicking link number 6, you can buy this. This will be uploaded on YouTube, and you can watch the entire video on YouTube also. If you want the link to be provided on YouTube, please let us know on the description box below. As of now, we are putting links only on the Facebook. Wow, this is saree number 7, a baby pink with a golden combination, completely zari woven butas. The whole this is a pink color blouse with zari stripes. A whole body, the butas of golden zari has been following, so there is no way it's been left out. This is so saree number 7 is pink color. So now then let's go in for saree number 8 now. We have 14 sarees to cover, more than 10 minutes. Any video I will not sit and see. I also would I'll also think that you will also have not so much of patience to do that. Wow, a black beauty she is. And saree number 8. 8. Wow, look at the color blouse. That's a shiny blouse over there. Excuse me. So that's saree number 8 for you. So saree number 9, yeah. Saree number 9, a beautiful pastel green. This is beautiful tassels now. Look at the tassel over there. Look at the pallu, and the border. The blouse is a shiny border blouse, and that is the entire saree for you. We are making it a bit faster with more than 10 minutes. I don't suggest any videos, even though YouTube says you have to put a post, a long video, only then you get a lot of views and all. I don't believe that. Even if it has been said so, it is only for you who have to enjoy the shopping, not only for YouTube to enjoy what it is getting. So that is saree number 10, pink, nice, lipstick pink. A huge demand color. This is, I think we have 3 to 4 pieces of the same. Very pretty saree. The whole buttas are all throughout. This is saree number 10. Saree number 11 is another pastel green. All the color, nothing to say wrong or say less or more about anything. It's so pretty. The tassel is my love over there. It's really, really beautiful. All with blouse, tissue blouse, zari stripe blouses. Look at that. That is saree number 11. Green, light green. Link number 11 will get green. 1 minute. Now there's a saree number 12. Beautiful color of a light cream and beige mix with brown. Yeah, the blouse is this. Yeah, pretty, very good. So this is saree number 12. The whole saree happens to be this. You can share the link over. Click on the link to buy these pretty sarees. Now comes saree number 13. I have only one more. See that. If it anyway gets cut. Wow, that's a purple beauty. Saree number 13. Look at the blue color tassel is a beautiful highlight. Blouse is tissue zari woven blouse. Zari woven blouse. Turn around 30 seconds. Yeah, that is saree number 13. Now comes the last sari of this set, sari number 14. Do subscribe our YouTube channel, a turquoise green and blue. So that is the entire sari. Wow, nothing less than a kanjivaram. I'm in love with this color. Blouse is a tissue sari blouse it's got. Okay, the whole body is this. Again, a humble request from all of us from Vastram, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you. Happy shopping. Enjoy. Be there. That is, I opened the sari completely. We have touched 10 minutes. Our target is 15 seconds, 9 seconds more. Wow, look at that. Even then, I didn't want to stop it in between because it's so pretty a color. It's only set what as we are having. 2 months once we get this lot, because I don't want to overdo it. After 2 months only, we'll get the next lot. So if you are in love with this, buy it immediately. Depending on your fastness of booking, your availability depends. Happy shopping. All the 14 sarees are very beautiful, very classy. Everyone's like and interests are more different, so everybody would I know this will be very much sold off very fast. Happy shopping. Bye.